JB Morrow, go and get your bag.
What's up, YouTube? It's your girl Katie, and today I'm gonna be making a video of me putting on that wig that I bleached the knots on last video. You should go see it. Yeah, it's time for me to do my hair, so I gotta take these braids down first, and then I'm gonna come back and show y'all how I finish this. Cause I'm not taking these braids down. I don't really know how to braid. I'm not braiding to the scalp to put this in. So I'm just gonna go off of what I got. Alright, y'all, so I'm back with like the little braidy braids. This is how I look after I took down my braids. I got a cap. I usually don't even really be using caps neither. But I want to push all this hair back. I don't know, it just gives better without a cap. Got a little hand in the alcohol wipe. So I tinted my lace. It's looking good. I put them up in little ponytails because I think I might want to do 2 little ponytails up there at the top. So I set it like that. I don't know. I'll see when we put it on. Ooh, let me plug up my hot comb. Leave me alone. I don't want to be famous. All right, well, I got this on her, trying to melt and wait for the glue to dry. I'm gonna start styling. I'm gonna lay this down in the back. I got my little She's Bomb wax stick. I'm gonna start laying all my little flyaways and stuff down. I plugged my hot comb in, so it should be hot, you think? Should I put some wax on it or some foam? I don't know. I'm gonna hold it like that for a second till I go get a rubber band. I'm back. I got the ponytail holder. It's acting like it don't want to come out the bottle, right? I'm sorry. There we go. There we go. Okay, there we go. Okay. I was wondering if we was ever gonna get his shit together. I don't know. I didn't know. I'm so I don't know, man. Damn, burnt the shit out of my hand, boy. like right here and stuff like that. Get it with the end of the glue. And then I'm gonna come back and color it. Put a little makeup on it, baby. Just a little makeup on it, baby. So that little white cast can go away. Okay, I'm back. And I got this lace tint. I got it from the beauty supply. I don't know too much about it, but I know it worked for me. It's easy too. Like, you're gonna screw it, and it's like this little puff palette. And you just put like as little or as much as you need. Alright, now I'm about to do my baby hair. I hate that part because I feel like I don't do baby hairs right. I feel like I don't know how to do them. But I'm about to do them. And then I probably like, I don't know if I want to straighten the wig or crimp it. Alright, let me look at the little flat iron so I can bump with a bump. My little skinny little flat irons. Let me turn them on. They the electric ones. They get hot as hell real fast. Real fast. See the little curl on them? Check me out. You see the curl on them? Check me out. Bow. Let me try the phone.